Buc-ee's be popping. Like, it's like a club. Like, seriously. Look, California plates.
All of them.
Pretty much. Remy, you see Bucky? Look, you see Bucky? You see Bucky? You see Bucky? Bird? Come on. Come on. Let's go change the diaper. Come on.
Come on, baby.
You can see him on the way out. You might see him inside. Come on. Thank you. Come on. You smell the brisket in the air? Huh? Huh? What you say? I know, right? Come on, I'm about to go change him. Where'd TJ go?
Over there.
TJ, come on, let's go to the bathroom.
Oh, Hudson, come on. Come here.
Why does it say that?
Mary, you gotta go to the bathroom?
No.
Let's just try.
Okay, I'll go. See, there's people here at Texas. Why
Huh?
Texas energy right there.
You said why they who?
Where's Beyonce at?
We're not in Houston, baby. This is closer to Dallas.
So, same thing.
What?
Beyonce still lives in Texas. So.
This ain't Texas. Woo! Please don't hold them. Buc-ee's is nuts. Report.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today we will be walking around Buc-ee's. So we're walking around Buc-ee's. We're about to go to San Antonio for a little trip because I wanted to go. Yes, you see, here's my mom. She is walking. How do you face it the other way?
You press this.
Oh, sorry. Yes. You see, we're walking now, and we're about to go meet up with the others because we don't know where they are.
Where are they?
And you see, it's very crowded here. We have to cut through traffic and stuff.
What do you want, buddy? I don't know about this.
I want fudge.
She want fudge. That's how I'm about to look and see.
I want fudge.
Okay.
Oops, sorry. So we're about to get fudge.
Are you about to get fudge?
Yeah, I'm about to get fudge. I used to only get the Rice Krispie treats from here, but now I'm about to get something new. I always need to try something new.
For it. What do you think it is?
I'm thinking fudge.
No, but like any food?
Food? No. I want the,
What do you want to share a brisket sandwich with me?
Yes.
Get a regular one, you have to get the big one like I got. Get a regular size one.
We'll get to share it, okay?
Barbecue beef on the table.
Wait, you can hold it.
If you want sausage, go for
Yes, guys. So authentic and addicted.
Me and Hudson are going to share it. Okay, wait, let me go get her fudge. I don't know what she at.
I want the birthday cake. I want birthday cake.
It's on top. Look, it was right there on top. Look, buddy.
Oh.
Peanut butter.
Yes, this is the one I'm getting. The birthday cake.
You thinking 1 piece, 2 pieces? One. I got you.
Oh, do I just grab it?
Sure.
Get the biggest one.
I mean, we got a deal if you buy 4, you get 2 free.
Oh, this is the biggest one.
I want rice cookie and cream plus and get a birthday cake. So you might as well buy your 2 and they get 2 for you.
2 peanut butter?
No, get a peanut butter and a peanut butter chocolate.
I got you. Peanut butter and peanut butter chocolate.
And I'll see.
Fudge. What's the fudge?
Oh, cookie and cream. What? You can get that one too. So that's the 4, and then she get 2 free.
Okay, what 2 or 3 do I want?
What 2 free do you want?
Now, for the deal, it does have to be off the bar.
It's what?
Yeah.
It has to be what?
It has to be like off the bar.
Her birthday cake. Or she got it in her hand.
Yeah.
Hudson, put that one back. She's gonna cut
She's
yours.
gonna cut one.
Sorry. You want me to give?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, my mind turned off for a little bit.
Did it? Now look, here go Chewy. Oh, where's the Chewy praline one?
Right there.
I get it too much. You want it? You want it?
This is super part? No. What about banana pudding?
Oh, okay. Banana pudding or key lime?
Banana pudding.
Banana pudding. Banana pudding.
Welcome to Buc-ee's. You can spend all your money.
The best stop in town. Howdy,
I have
y'all.
to run every day this week.
Wait, that was so cringy. Oh, Mom, good. Let me film. Please, Bonnie.
Here, and you know how to turn it on you, right?
Yes. Put up. Hey guys,
Is it-
welcome back to my video. Today we are going to Sweet World, Sea World, Sweet World / Aquatic, Sea World / Aquatic.
Aquatic.
What she said. See, it looks so nice. Yes, and we are going to get wet, hopefully. Well, my mom isn't because she doesn't like getting wet. But yes, I will be getting wet. I would do anything to get wet because I love the water, and it's summertime, so it's the perfect time to swim. So yes,
Look at Texas. Texas is so extra.
yes, Texas is extra because everything is bigger in Texas. It kind of reminds me of Disney, not gonna lie. I'm so excited.
Where is C at?
It's very crowded.
So we gotta go into which one?
I'm thinking C because we already have tickets. bucket boots, Zone.
It's very hot.
I did all that and y'all still didn't let me get my tripod, so we don't have to ask nobody to take a picture of it.
Oh, shit. So everybody remember.
Okay guys, welcome back to my video again. So, you see, this is aquatic and this is SeaWorld. SeaWorld, that's SeaWorld and that's aquatic. Aquatica. How to bring it down because like
Meaning money. Meaning they come all. Ooh, I smell some popcorn.
Excuse me. What?
I just want to be part of your symphony.
What is that?
It's a meme. Splash zone.
That's in case they splash you. You want to get splashed?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you go down there and sit? They're probably not. This is for a show.
They've helped us with our shark research work, shark conservation, and of course other marine animals that we study, like turtles and the reef conservation efforts. It's all part of the same action in trying to defend.
Timmy and them are right there. They're trying to get wet, and I am just not. So another hack, if you come to SeaWorld and you want to be in a splash zone with your family, wear a poncho. Totally forgot I had one. I would have sat down there looking crazy with a poncho on, but I don't want to walk around with soggy panties.
Hello
That's just not my
everyone,
thing.
my name is Julie. Animals in our care. It's a huge responsibility, but ultimately a privilege to be able to care for, teach, learn from, and build strong relationships with these amazing killer whales. We're proud of what we do, and we're honored to be able to share what we've learned through our relationships with all of you today and for many years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy Orca Encounter!
One world, united by our ocean.
Their scientific name is the Ursinus orca, and their common name is the killer whale. And each of the whales that reside here at SeaWorld San Antonio have their own personalized names. And joining me right up front are the two males, Duar and Kayukin. Takara is the oldest member of our pod, at 34 years old. Killer whales live in a matriarchal society, which means that there's one female in charge. For our pod, that's Takara, which means she's the leader. These whales trust us, and they take an active role in their own personal health and well-being. Through the use of positive reinforcement training techniques, we're able to teach the whales husbandry or healthcare behaviors. And joining us alongside us now are trainers Julie and Josh, here to demonstrate just a few of these behaviors. Now, one of the very first behaviors we teach the whales is called the flip present, in which the whales will present their tail flukes to the trainers. Just as you will see in a moment, not only does the flip present allow us the opportunity to observe the whale's entire body, but it also allows us we hope that you will too. Thanks for joining us and have a great rest of your day here.
To your feet there is a $100 bill. Just kidding, but there is a white line. Please make sure you're standing behind that white line at all times and are off those gates. Those gates are pressure sensitive and can stop the ride. So if you're leaning, pulling, touching, or tugging on those gates, please make sure you are getting off of them at this time. Thank you guys. Let's grab Lover. Lover, please.
And one of the most important sessions we have is called a relationship session. During our time together, we're utilize all of our positive reinforcement techniques to build better trust and bond between animal and trainer. Our trainers and animals now giving hints. It's just how special those relationships can truly be. regulation, in my opinion, we are going to give you an inside look into how we train the animals in our care. Two of our dolphins, Haley and Epo, are working on a behavior we call a salute bow. What the finished product looks like consists of the dolphins jumping out of the water headfirst and falling back headfirst while facing the audience. Now, Haley already knows this behavior, however, Epo does not. So what we're using is something we call observational learning. By watching her, you will start to understand what it is we're asking when we're giving that signal. So now she's just been given the signal and we're throwing a cue to tell her where we want her to jump. She did absolutely fantastic. Let's hear it. And now we're going to ask Epo to do the same thing with her. So what we're going to do is we're going to give both of the animals the signal for the salute bow, throw a cue to tell them where we want them to jump.
he did say, I don't believe it though. Like it may cost to get in over there. That's what the guy said. Or like you have to pay like an extra fee. But I don't see them checking. I don't know. Maybe they had it where.
Somebody right there.
Oh, okay.
Look right there, somebody.
Oh, okay, got it.
Hold on, okay.
Look, babe.
¿De dónde salen?
You know, record.
Of tobacco. Check to make sure your cell phone is in silent or vibrate mode. Thanks.
At the same time, everybody, please remember this.
San Antonio's river. We're on the natural Horseshoe Bend.
Come on down,
We're
y'all.
going to cover
Also, we took a picture, by the way. It's ready to observe.
the River Spring Bend, just 4 miles north of here, on the campus of the University of the Incarnate Word at the Blue Hole. Now look up overhead, the Hugman Footbridge. Robert H. Hugman, father of the Riverwalk, the architect who designed the Riverwalk. Did you see the movie Selena starring Jennifer Lopez, J-Lo? One of the scenes in the movie Selena, Jennifer Lopez was sitting on this bridge. Did you see the boat that passed right by here in the movie? Did you see the boat captain who was in that movie? That was somebody else. On the left side of our boat, we have the Omni La Mansión del Rio, the mansion on the river. The hotel opened for the 1968 World's Fair Hemisphere as the La Posada Inn. That site was originally St. Mary's School for Boys, 1853. Hey, I am going to show you an optical illusion, the old Nix Hospital building. From down here, it looks like a 26-story wall. Look straight up in the air on our left side of the boat. Hey, look straight up in the air on our left side of the boat.
I look on my left to my right.
Right, left.
How about that? How about that? The Nix Hospital opened 1930. Carol Burnett, born here 1933. Carol Burnett, she turned 92 3 months ago. They closed the Nix Hospital 5.5 years ago, right before COVID.
Oh, that is so cute.
There are plans to possibly renovate the building into either hotel, condos, or apartments. Hey, look up high, straight ahead of us. The Hyatt Regency Riverwalk Hotel opened 1981. They limited the height of that hotel to 16 stories so as not to cast a shadow on the Alamo.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Give me a light! Give me a light! Give me a light! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Here's paper towel. Paper towel.
We got baby wipes right here.
Yeah, that works better. Baby wipes good.
LOL.
That's good. Bring good luck when that happens.
Man, that's what you get.
All right. Have you been to the Alamo?
Yeah, no.
I have relatives who fought there. My cousins, they fought over there at the gift shop last week. They got kicked out. You can head upstairs on our left, right upstairs to Crockett Street. 2 short blocks to the Alamo. He was elected to the U.S. House of Representatives 1961. On the right side of our boat, the man-made water balls help circulate water, keep it aerated, moving and flowing. On the right side of our boat, high above the downtown skyline, the Tower of the Americas.
The Tower of the Americas,
Opened
babe. I
for
want to go to the
Hemisphere
Tower of the Americas.
1968. 622 feet.
Welcome to the San Antonio Riverwalk Public
Tower
Art
has the
Garden.
observation level at the very top. And below that, the Chart House restaurant. Chart House revolves. Now, I need to let you know the tower is closed for repairs and renovations. And it will be reopening a week from today, Monday the 28th. Straight ahead of us, Stargazer, the sculptor Pedro Reyes from Mexico City. He unveiled the Stargazer 2.5 years ago. Look over on our left side of the boat, we have one of our other locations. Same tour, 3 locations on the Riverwalk. Shops at River Center. It opened as River Center Mall 1988, 37 years ago. On the right side of our boat, you'll see the cypress knees growing out of the ground. The cypress knees are part of the root system of the trees. We have an opportunity for a group photo. Would you all be interested in our group photo of all of us together on board the boat? Would you all like that? Would you like to have a group photo? Right here? Sure you would. Take out your cameras.
Look.
Take out your cameras to the left side of our boat. Let these guys walk by here first. Okay, right. There we go. Our group photo.
That is so funny.
Pick it up over at the gift shop. I go ahead and take the picture. We got to go. One day I stopped here to do our group photo. That door opened up and the mayor and the police chief walked out. They were having a very important meeting in that room. They wanted to know what I was doing out here waving in the window. The Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center. They've expanded the convention center several times. And after the latest expansion, they demolished the old 1968 convention center and have opened Civic Park on the right side of our boat. Look up on the left side of the boat, Lila Cockrell Theater, named to honor the city's first female mayor. Lila Cockrell passed away 5 years ago at the age of 97. On our left, up at the top of that theater, the Confluence of Civilization mural. artist Juan O'Gorman from Mexico City. It took him over 2 years. He did almost all of the work in Mexico City laid out on the ground in panels. Juan O'Gorman used 400,000.
The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.